Hello, fantastic students. Dr. Stan Reeley here. I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk with you about working together in groups. Now, I know it's difficult to work in a collaborative type environment. It can be a challenging sort of thing. But at the same time, it can also be very, very beneficial, because not only are you contributing your ideas to the creative, collaborative process, you're getting ideas and receiving ideas from your teammates and group mates as well. And in a real life sit down in a room, brainstorm sort of business environment, it's difficult enough. However, whenever you are working to collaborate and build something together in an online environment, I do realize as well that that challenge goes even further. So with that being said, I wanted to provide with you just a couple of thoughts and ideas that I have received from you over the years when I've been working with students like you with regard to success in a group type environment online, a collaborative environment online. And that is start your communications early, reach out to your group mates. Even if you're the first one to do it, go for it, all right? Go ahead and get the communication processes started. Remember that people work at different paces, and you may work at a different pace from someone else. You may be someone who wants to get everything put together very early on. Some people are in the middle, and some people like to wait till the last minute. Now, this doesn't necessarily diminish their contribution or the quality of their contribution. It just messes with the time frames with some of us who like to do things early on. So that being said, just understand that people do work at different paces as long as deadlines are met. Now, this is a tip that I would like to share with you. I think it's a good idea in a group environment online that you all collectively elect or appoint someone as being the group leader. Now, this individual would be the person who would maybe say, let's consider giving out particular assignments to different group members, okay, and then telling them when the deadline point would be for that portion to be submitted back to you, the team leader. And then perhaps the team leader would be in charge of taking all the different various pieces, parts, and putting it together into that seamless presentation that you all want to have. And reaching out to those individuals that might need to do a little tweaking and that sort of thing to their component, so that the overall look is a consistent one, and it doesn't look like it was done by multiple people, and it's all and not like it's been pieced together and everything's separate. You want that one seamless uniform presentation. So that's why that team captain, let's call him or her the team captain. That team captain would be in charge of making sure that finished product is something that everybody would be proud of. But again, I don't want to take up a lot of your time talking about this. There are lots of ways to collaborate, but again, I cannot stress enough communication, patience, and working together in a fashion so that everyone understands clearly what their role is, what their deadlines are, and then to have that person in charge to sort of, won't call them in charge, the person in that role, because everyone's equal on the team, but someone in that role to help put everything together so that it is give assignments, then put everything together at the end, and that way it all has that the segmented assignments now have a cohesive appearance to them, and everybody can be proud of what they've contributed. All right, hopefully this little overview was beneficial for you, and thanks for listening to me, and good luck with your presentation. I'm always pleased and proud with what I get back. Take care.